like to thank my new colleague, Councilor Ali, for her support. Actually, yes, we will include the definition of parks in the ordinance by presiding officer. Because in the amendments, we also have an additional definition of terms, which clearly defines what paper product devices are. As to the banning or expanding this ordinance to include malls, this is only specific to parks at the moment, Mr. Presiding Officer, because we are coming out with a comprehensive anti-smoking and vaping ordinance that will include all business establishments, including malls, Mr. Presiding Officer. And I think I'll be willing to work with Councilor Ali and other proponents of anti-smoking and anti-vaping to come up with this comprehensive anti-smoking, anti-vaping ordinance in all the establishments.
Thank you, Councilor Bandia. You are now Councilor Alco Valentes.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Councilor Rock, I'd like to commend you for this measure. But I just want to remind you also that I have already passed a measure which pertains to banning e-cigarette smoking in public places, and only we're going to designate a proper place for smoking areas. Maybe you can consider also na natin yung ordinance na napasok ko na way back. I think last year.
Thank you, I said, Councilor Alco Valentes. Yes, but like I said, this one is, we will not even designate a smoking area in the park. It's a total ban by the park. So, no designate it.
But also, Councilor, with due respect, park is a public place. So, kasi yung ordinance ko caters to any public places. So, any park should be considered as a public place also.
Yes, this is just the Councilor Irish for you. Like I said, the upcoming, because we've been consulting with you to single SOCP announcement of the ordinance. And I hope the Councilor Irish allow us to include her measure as a consultant.
By all means, Councilor Rock. And thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Councilor Alco Valentes. Councilor Wency Lagumbay.
Councilor Wency Lagumbay is an advocate of anti-vaping, Mr. Presiding Officer.
I just want to find out from the, thank you very much. I just want to find out from the knowledgeable gentleman, who will be the implementing art for this? Who has been designated as
The DPOS. The DPOS.
Part of the public ordinance safety. So,
we have an IRR.
yes. So, I'm not going to that there will be no designated smoking area.
Not in the parks,
Not in the parks. But how is the surveillance going to be? Kasi kaya since maraming tao kung pumunod ko sa mga parking, then this is how can you monitor each and every one?
We will have dito sa IRR, Mr. Presiding Officer, as the implementation, and probably as the, we have penalties here, but we will do the IRR.
Because Mr. Presiding
We
Officer,
have, because in the, especially in our main parks, sa other park, we can probably do the barangays, to the barangay public safety officers to also help with the implementation of this.
so this relates to only the public parks or even the parks inside the subdivisions, because which is actually harder also to maintain because they have their own peace and order council, their security also as well. So we just wanted to find out if this is only designated, like for example, like the Mesa, which is Governor Park and the Quezon City Circle, or what about the other parks that are inside of enclosed subdivisions? Because this might come, if we do this, it might also go for abuse. But if, for example, wala, may hawak na pero hindi naman pala talaga, those are things that we also have to consider. But I would rather, if I may suggest, create a space for them to go. Kasi if you're gonna totally ban it, then it might cause more problems. Because tayo, you will just say, saan pwede? That's the question. And I think even naman in the malls, if they have designated smoking areas, and I think they've been implementing this for quite some time. So I am just waiting for the implementation. I am not against the proposed ordinance, but what I am more concerned of is the implementing and how it will be, how can it be implemented, especially with the number of people that goes to our parks, especially on weekends. Yun lang naman po.
So sir, I thank my good friend, Councilor Wency Lagumbay. Mr. Presiding Officer, I'm willing to limit this to public parks kasi that's more within our control as a city. Because like Councilor Wency said, some private subdivisions have their own parks and titles to make their own rules.
Exactly.
So I'm willing to limit this to all our public parks.
So it will be amended to Quezon City Memorial Circle, the
1 minute recess, please.
Recess.